In today's video, we'll go over the most common symptoms of a bad EGR valve. But before we get into the warning signs, let's quickly understand what the EGR valve does and why it's important. The EGR valve's purpose is to recirculate a portion of the exhaust gases back into the intake manifold. This process helps lower the combustion temperature, which is important because high temperatures lead to the formation of NOx. By reducing the temperature, the production of NOx is minimized. When an EGR valve malfunctions, it can present symptoms in two different ways. It can be stuck open, or it can be stuck closed. Now, let's go through the most common signs of a failing EGR valve. Sign 1. Engine stalls and rough idle. If the EGR valve is stuck open, too much exhaust gas enters the engine intake, depriving the engine of fresh air. This can cause the MAF sensor to detect a lack of incoming air, which can lead to stalling at low speeds. Typically, the engine will struggle to maintain idle RPM and may experience increased vibrations or severe shaking. Sign 2. Check engine light comes on. This is likely the simplest way to identify a faulty EGR valve. Look for diagnostic trouble codes ranging from P0400 to P0409. You can have these codes read at most auto parts stores, which often offer this service for free. Sign 3. Engine knocking noise. The primary function of the EGR valve is to lower the combustion temperature. When the EGR valve is stuck closed, the engine cylinder temperature increases because the fuel burns more efficiently with an abundance of fresh air. This temperature rise can cause a knocking or pinging sound if it exceeds the manufacturer's designed limits, and sometimes the engine can overheat. Sign 4. Failed emissions inspection. A stuck closed EGR valve can cause this issue. It prevents exhaust gases from entering the combustion process, leading to increased chamber temperatures and more pronounced engine NOx. Excessive knocking can result in failing emissions tests due to elevated NOx emissions. So when the EGR malfunctions, it interrupts the combustion process and impacts the emission levels, which can potentially cause your vehicle to fail emissions tests. Sign 5. Reduced engine performance. If the EGR valve is stuck open, it allows excessive exhaust gas into the engine, which can starve the engine of fresh air. This can noticeably affect performance during acceleration when the engine requires more fresh air for peak performance. Also, the increased exhaust gas can interrupt the fuel injection rates, which can compromise the engine efficiency. Sign 6. Sluggish acceleration. The cause of this issue could be a stuck open EGR valve. When the EGR valve remains open, it continuously reintroduces exhaust gases into the combustion chamber. These gases displace air, reducing the amount available for optimal engine performance. This limitation is likely why you're experiencing poor acceleration. Sign 7. Poor fuel economy. Again, if your EGR valve is already faulty, it messes up how the engine burns fuel, so you might have to press harder on the gas pedal to move like you normally would. This can really bring down how far you can go on a tank of gas. When the EGR valve is stuck open, it occupies space within the combustion chamber with exhaust gases, leaving less room for efficient air-fuel combustion. This improper combustion can cause noticeable vibrations in your car. Sign 9. Fuel odor around the vehicle. If the EGR isn't working right, the engine doesn't burn fuel well because the air-to-fuel mix is off. This can make the exhaust smell like fuel more than usual, especially when you start the car or when the engine's cold. Those are the 9 most common signs of a faulty EGR valve. If you've noticed one or more of these symptoms, it's a good idea to have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic. They can accurately diagnose whether the EGR valve is causing the problem and recommend the proper repair or replacement. On average, an EGR valve typically costs between $100 and $400, while labor usually ranges from $100 and $300, depending on your vehicle and local labor rates. That means the total replacement cost generally falls between $200 and $700. For the most accurate estimate, check with a trusted repair shop in your area. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy-to-follow automotive tips. Thanks for watching AutoFixCraft, and we'll see you in the next one.